Welcome to one of America's largest liquid egg processing facilities. Every day, millions of filtration into safe rig eggs delivered across the country. Advanced robotic loading systems gently transfer thousands of fresh eggs onto the automated production line. Every egg is carefully positioned before beginning its journey through washing. Every minute, this automated washing system cleans thousands of eggs without interruption. Precision rollers rotate every egg while every hour, over 100,000 eggs enter this massive drying tunnel. High-velocity HEPA-filtered air instantly removes any remaining moisture. This ensures a perfectly dry shell. Inside this massive facility, every egg is inspected by AI. Cracks and defects are found in milliseconds. Defective eggs are instantly removed, leaving only the perfect ones. After grading, the eggs enter the heart of the liquid egg production line. Precision braking units gently crack every shell, separating the contents. The liquid egg flows through channels. Inside the automated system, every egg is gently cracked. Liquid egg flows immediately into stainless steel collection channels. This fully automated operates continuously. Freshly collected liquid egg now enters the factory's advanced filtration system. High-capacity food-grade filters continuously remove tiny shell fragments and natural impurities. After filtration, the liquid egg enters the factory's advanced pasteurization system. Carefully controlled heating destroys harmful bacteria while preserving the egg texture and nutritional quality. Once pasteurization is complete, the liquid egg is transferred into sterile food-grade storage tanks. The liquid egg is delivered direct to the fully automated packaging line. Pasteurization leads directly to automated packaging. Precision filling machines dispense the exact volume. Each carton is sealed and lased for users worldwide. After filling, every carton is automatically folded and permanently heat-sealed to create a secure, leak-proof package. Advanced leak testing equipment inspects every carton individually. Pasteurized liquid eggs are safe, convenient, and ready to use. They help produce bread, pastries, pasta, and mayonnaise. This journey transforms fresh eggs into high-quality ingredients. They are trusted by the global food industry. After the liquid egg has been collected, the empty eggshells begin a completely new production journey. The shells are transported distributed onto the department. Continuous autocleaning stage. After arriving at the recycling facility, the eggshells enter a high-capacity industrial washing system. Powerful food-grade water jets remove any remaining egg residue, while after washing, the eggshells enter a high-capacity industrial drying tunnel. Powerful streams of filtered hot air remove every trace of moisture. This system prepares the shells for the next stage. After complete drying, the eggshells enter the industrial grinding department. High-capacity hammer mills continuously reduce systems maintain a clean and controlled production environment. After complete drying, the eggshells enter the industrial grinding department. High-capacity hammer mills continuously reduce systems maintain a clean and controlled production environment. After grinding, the eggshell powder enters a precision screening system. Vibrating stainless steel screens separate the powder into a uniform particle size, while larger particles are automatically After precision screening, the calcium-rich eggshell powder enters the fully automated filling department. Computer-controlled weighing systems dispense the exact amount into industrial bags, while after filling, every eggshell powder bag is securely sealed to protect the product. The inner liner is heat-sealed, while the outer bag is stitched for maximum strength. Each bag leaves the sealing line fully protected. After passing quality inspection, every eggshell powder bag is automatically palletized, securely wrapped, and stored inside the finished goods warehouse, protruding the recycling journey from